call upon the stage.
Can we have Mr. Anand L. Rai back on stage for the 15th time? Sir, आप steps गिन रहे हैं ना अपने?
Sir, आपके 15,000 steps हो चुके हैं.
हम गिन के थक गए हैं सर आपके steps. भूल चूक माफ सर, भूल चूक माफ. अब तो 12 बज गए, अब तो नया दिन शुरू हो गया सर. ये steps अच्छे हैं आपके लिए.
Okay. So ये किसी ने बहुत ध्यान से कॉम्बो चुना है. So this Popular Choice Films Shosha Reel Awards Reel Icon goes to an actor जिसकी वजह से मैं यहाँ खड़ा हूँ. The actor who gave me my first hit and some foothold in this industry, my dear friend R. Madhavan.
Maddie sir, Nambi, congratulations. Mike is all yours. What do you have to say on this achievement?
Hi Apar, hi Neha.
Hi Maddie, congratulations.
Thank you so much. I really don't know what to say because I don't know what I've done to deserve the icon of the year. I've had the opportunity to be part of some amazing projects the whole of last year. The stellar one being Railwaymen, which was done by Yashraj Adi, the director. It was a heartfelt project, and I feel so proud to belong to that team, which was unrelenting in their desire to tell a story in a format that I never expected would be told. And so it's a matter of great pride for me to be part of that. For all the other achievements that I have, I just feel that, thank you for recognizing it, but I'm very far away from an icon in my mind. I'm still struggling. I feel the enthusiasm of a child when I get onto the set even now, with all the stuff that I have to learn and all the stuff that I feel I have to give. And I feel validated, but even more motivated now. Thank you so very much.
Congratulations, Maddie sir.
Maddie.
बड़े ही शैतान हो आप. Thank you so much, Anand sir.
Thank you so much, Anand sir.
Pleasure having you.
10वीं बार हम आपको प्रॉमिस कर रहे हैं कि हम आपको 12वीं बार बुलाएंगे नहीं, पर कोशिश करेंगे.
बुलाएंगे. Promise कर रहे हैं कि बुलाएंगे.
When you honor the stalwarts of the industry, then it becomes necessary to acknowledge the efforts of the upcoming stars, the ones who are the future torchbearers of great craft and skillful storytelling. Ladies and gentlemen, it's time to present the News 18 Shosha Reel Award for the Rising Star.
And to present this award, can we please have on the stage Mr. Kabir Bedi?
Thank you, Kabir sir, for doing the honors.
Good evening once again. The News 18 Reel Awards Rising Star for 12th fail is Medha Shankar.
Congratulations, Medha. What a beautiful performance.
Yes, it really was. We would love for you to say a few words.
Thank you, Neha. Thank you, Parshakti. You're doing a wonderful job as always.
Thanks.
Good evening, everyone. News 18, thank you for the recognition. Truly means a lot. Let me start by saying, Vidhu sir, thank you for believing in me and giving me this lifetime of an opportunity and guiding me every step of the way. I owe this to you, sir. To the entire casting crew of 12th Fail, to Manoj sir and Shraddha ma'am for being an inspiration to an entire generation. My dad, my brother for being my biggest support, the audiences for the unprecedented amount of love you've shown us, and lastly, my mom, thank you. This one's for you. Thank you.
Congratulations, Medha.
Congratulations, Medha.
Congratulations.